Good day to all prospective employer in Hong Kong. Ma'am and sir, my name is Marites Tubo Viscoro. I am 46 years old. I am married. I have two children, one son and one daughter. I am first high school graduate. I have two sisters. I am eldest in the family. My first job in Kuwait, 3 years and 4 months. I have six members in the family, two adults, two children, and baby twin boy. My second job in Hong Kong, 1 year and 3 months. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, ironing, and car washing. To all employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as domestic helper. I promise I do my duties and responsibilities and also follow your rules and regulation. Thank you and God bless.